Hello and welcome to SoundExpressionGreetings.com. My name is Kelly Fasaro, and today I'm going to show you what's new and exciting in the world of video greeting cards. Today we can print pretty much any size greeting card for you, and what's really exciting is our screen sizes can now go up to 7 inches. Of course, the screen sizes are measured on a diagonal. This card is 4-color printed on all 4 sides, and you'll see the high quality video.
We live in a world that is always connected and always on. The Accenture Mobile Web Watch Survey 2012 found game-changing insights into what the digital consumer of the future will look like and how German digital enterprises can reach the heart of their digital customers' lives.
The way to turn the video off is by pressing the button, and you'll notice on the side it's a 1/4 inch thickness with a little flap that opens up, and the flap contains a little port for the USB that plugs into your computer to recharge the video card when necessary. Our next video card has a 5-inch video screen. This is a pretty standard card, and it has a volume control. You'll notice the plus sign to turn the volume up and the minus to turn the volume down. The card will stop playing when it's closed. And again, you'll see on the side for the USB. Another matte finish. Next we have a square, classic, beautiful card that plays when opened. Another matte finish. Stops playing when closed, and the exciting thing about this card is it has a matching mailing box. All of our video cards come with either a brown or a white mailing box, but it's always a nice feature to have custom printing to the box. It just makes an exceptional presentation in the mail. Next we have a giant video card. This one also has a flap for the USB, which tucks in. A glossy finish. It's activated by pressing the start button. The screen size is a 3.5-inch screen.
In my subspecialty, which is breast cancer, a lot of the patients present with metastatic bone disease. So bone disease is one of the things that we treat a lot. One of the major issues with it.
And it must be turned off to stop the video card from playing. Our standard size is still a 5x7 with a 2.4-inch screen. This is our most economical card. Most of our business clients use this size and the 2.4-inch screen.
In today's fast-paced business environment, we understand that you need to work anytime, anywhere, and from any place. And to do this across virtual...
And again, this card stops playing when the card is closed. So I hope this gives you some new ideas in what's available in video greeting cards for your upcoming promotions. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to call us at 877-545-2343.